Hello dear ones, welcome to Tolle Wolle and welcome once again to a really nice XXL scarf, or rather an XXL shawl. I have crocheted something very light and loose here with my number 12 needle using much thinner wool, which was actually intended for number 5 to 6 needles. Because I crocheted it more loosely, it is super loose, become really nice and large. It has a width of 30 centimeters and a length of about 2 meters. So you see the scarf goes on quite a bit further. It's really nice and large. Of course you can wear it a bit gathered and in multiple layers around the neck. Then it is of course also really nice and cozy warm, or you can wear it loosely and lightly around the shoulders. So really nice, variable to wear. And I crocheted this in rods with chain stitches in between, nice and loose with really big holes in it. And now you can see how I did it, have lots and lots of fun with it. Let's get started, my dears, with this beautiful big pink tweed ball here. Tilly Tweed is the name of it. I got it from Tilly, 300 grams, 260 meters length for size 5 to 6 needles. However, I crochet it significantly larger and looser with a 12 millimeter hook. The skein costs €7 and we have a mix of 96% polyacrylic and 4% polyester. The thread is structured as follows. I've already pulled out a part from the middle. We have twisted this here, and indeed I think 4 times, yes, 4 times around each other. And then there are always little inserts in black or white included. And I start with a chain of air stitches. Specifically, I'm taking a multiple of 4. That would be 16 air stitches for me. And then I add 3 more for the height. So we have 16 plus 3, which makes 19 air stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19 chain stitches, and you can already see how wide the whole thing will be with the nice big needle. Really truly nice XXL. And I am actually skipping the first 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and crochet 4 double crochets directly into the 5th stitch here. 1, 2, then I skip 1 chain. Get some more yarn and 2 more double crochets. You can see the first section in the pattern, then skip 3 chain stitches, no? And again 4 double crochets. First 2 and then a chain stitch and then crochet 2 more. And if I have done everything correctly and the last stitch is not unraveling again here, I have crocheted the pattern 4 times and have 2 chain stitches left. In the last chain stitch, a single crochet stitch goes in now. And from now on, it will get even easier. For the next row, I will then take 3 chain stitches for the height, turn the whole thing around, and now always crochet 4 double crochets around the chain, which I crocheted centrally between the double crochets into it. Simply always insert around the chain and crochet the same thing there again. 4 double crochets with a central chain. Super easy pattern. Then it lies over each other like this. So 1, 2, And here again, 1, 2, fetch a bit of yarn, and then again 1, 2, chain stitch, and again 1, 2, 1, 2, and then it goes over here, and again 1, 2, chain stitch, 1 and 2. Then you see the pattern here with both rows on top of each other. The second row pushes the first one apart a little bit. You can see that quite well here. So here the two sections are really clearly separated. Here in the row before or after the one above, it looks a little tighter, and the large openings actually always appear when stitched around the chain stitch. To finish, I crochet a single double crochet around the chain stitch here on the outside. That is the very first chain stitch I skipped, the 4 chain stitches from the beginning, and then I start again with a chain of 3 for the next row. And now I'll crochet a few more rows and then of course show you an update before I finish crocheting the scarf. Here I am now with the update for you, and you see the whole thing is becoming beautifully wide. I'll quickly measure it with going a bit through with my set square. We have almost 30 centimeters in width here. The set square is 20 centimeters here. So once, and then we are from here to here again at approximately 10 centimeters. And I have already crocheted quite a bit of length. The scarf is of course becoming very long, and yes, you can now see the pattern very clearly as it builds on each other in rows. I have 4 rows of the pattern going upward each time. Rising up, it goes super fast and is also easy to crochet, of course, with the simple double crochets and chain stitches. And yes, I'm continuing this along the entire length now. And here I am again. By now the scarf is 2 meters long, and you see here again, really beautiful. Also the pattern, really quite nice when you wear it gathered around the neck. It's really warm and cozy, but you can also lay it nicely stretched over the shoulders, very light and loose. I have already shortened the thread here once. It wouldn't have been enough for a full row. I've left a few centimeters here for sewing. I'll pull it out now a bit, put it on, and then it will be sewn up, and then the scarf is actually already finished. Super nice, big and cozy, and I hope you enjoyed the pattern and had fun. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, activate the bell, don't forget. And we'll see each other next time at Tolla Wolla. See you then. Bye.